In this video, you will learn 10 powerful English phrases you can start using right away, and one of them will surprise you. Comment below which one surprised you the most, and let's see which phrase gets the most votes.
Let's start. I'll take that into consideration. Polite way to say you'll think about it. Example, I'll take your suggestion into consideration for the next meeting. Let's not jump to conclusions. Avoiding assumptions. Example, we don't have all the facts yet, so let's not jump to conclusions. I see where you're coming from. Showing empathy and understanding. Example, I see where you're coming from, but I still think we should wait. That's a tough call. When a decision is difficult. Example, choosing between these two jobs is a tough call. It's worth a shot. Encouraging someone to try. Example, we might not win, but it's worth a shot. That rings a bell. Something sounds familiar. Example, her name rings a bell, but I can't remember where I met her. Better late than never. It's okay that something happened late. Example, you finally arrived, better late than never. Fair enough. Accepting someone's point of view. Example, you prefer coffee over tea? Fair enough. Let's keep it between us. Asking someone to keep something private. Example, I'll tell you something, but let's keep it between us. I beg to differ. A polite way to disagree. Example, I think this is the best solution for the problem. I beg to differ. I believe there's a better approach. So, which phrase surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'm curious to see your answers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tips to sound confident in English. See you in the next video.